Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Creasquare AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to register a Creasquare AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address creasquare.io and hit on enter. And after that you'll be redirected to the home page of Creasquare over here, guys. Now, in order to sign up for an account, first you must go to the free trial of the Creasquare, and after that you will be able to pay for the subscription. And with that being said, guys, in order to sign up for a Creasquare account, you can see the start free trial button available at the top right corner of the screen, as well as the bottom left corner of the screen. You can click on either of these buttons to go to the registration page. And over here, guys, you'll be required to go to your credentials like your first name, your last name, the email address with which you'll be using the Creasquare AI account later on, your organization, and that one is optional. You can enter it or not, it's upon your wish. And that being done, let's go for the social media professional working for a company, or you can just go to the content creator, and after that enter your password, guys. And this is the section where you enter your password to create a password for the Creasquare AI account. So guys, do make sure to enter your password a strong one, like entering some numbers, some capital letters, and some small letters with some extra special characteristics just to make your password strong. And with that being said, guys, after entering all of your credentials, simply click on the register button available over here, and you will have signed up for a Creasquare AI account on your computer. And a verification link will be sent to you on your email address, which you have just entered over here, guys. Open that email address, and on the mail section a verification email from the Creasquare IO will be there. After you click on the register, click on that link to verify that you're a human, and after that your account will be ready to use. And with that being said, guys, this is how you sign up for a Creasquare AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.